Hello everyone, welcome back to this course, Microsoft Word. Today we'll be dealing with Mode 5, inserting graphics and objects. We're going to be dealing with the meaning and importance of graphics and images in documents. We'll be dealing with inserting and formatting images. We'll be dealing with inserting and formatting shapes and smart art. We're dealing with using text wrapping options around graphics. We're dealing with using word art, screenshots, and other objects in MS Word. Then lastly, we'll be dealing with the professional use of visual elements in documents. Now, by way of introduction, I'm going to be looking at graphics, image, smart art. I'm going to be looking at graphics. I'm going to be looking at word art. I'm going to be looking at screenshots and among other items. Now, what's the graphics? And what's an image? Now, graphics are visual elements used to support written content. So it's not enough to just type. You can have a visual element, an image, kind of, to support what you are written. That's what graphics is used for. Now, it includes pictures, photos, shapes, smart art, word art, and others. All these are called graphics. Now, images helps clarify information and explains concepts. The proper use of images improve what readability and communication. And what's the importance of using graphics? It breaks long blocks of text. It highlights important information. It improves reader engagement. It enhances overall document quality. It reduces the overuse of poor placement, and it increases what? Professionalism. It makes your work very professional. It make it very professional. Now, how do you insert and format images? Images can be inserted either from your laptop device, from stock images, or from online source. Now, let me show you how to insert an image. Now, if you want to insert an image, go to your Insert tab, go to Pictures. This is if you want to insert from your desktop. Now, let's say I want to insert what's already in my system, and I tap this. I'll just click Insert to just show up on the screen. It will show up. So I can decide to adjust it here and adjust it. I can decide to remove it. I can decide to adjust here, adjust the length, the breadth. Yes, I can adjust. Then I can delete. That will insert an image from your system. Now, you can also choose to insert from online pictures. Take you online. Just click and it'll take you online. That's what it means to insert from an online source, right? So I'm connected to the internet. So it's taking me in. So exactly, you can see there are 1,001 pictures. You can choose, you can search. You can say, okay, you can say cake. And it will bring out a lot of image of cake for you. So you just pick the one you want. Click it and it starts. It's there. So it will download. Once it's been downloaded, it will just show up, pop up. It's very easy to use, but you must be connected to the internet for this, right? Now that's for images. Now, how do you insert and format shapes? Let's go down to shapes now. Now, same way, you go to Insert tab, go to shapes. See, there are 1,000,001 shapes here. We have rectangles, we have basic shapes, we have arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, call out, all of that. So you just basically click it. Once you click it, you can choose to draw it to any dimension you want. That's it. You can change the color, you can change it. Okay, it's already showing blue. So if you want to change the color, it's simple. Just go to the format. It's already here. Go to the format. Already this here. That's why it's like this. So you can change it to this and change it to that. You can change it to the color. This is called the color inside. It's called a shape fill. So you can decide to change the color. You can see that, right? You can decide to change the color. So you can also decide to change the outline. The outline is the line here. So let me quickly change the fill so that you see. Let's change it to white. So you can, exactly. This is called the outline. These four borders. They are called what? The outline, right? You can make it thicker. Make the outline very thick. So you go to weight. You go to the outline, you go to weight, you can see. You become it thicker. Exactly. So they are measured the points. You can also decide to give it an effect. You can make it have shadow effect. Exactly. You can make it glow effect, soft edges. You can format it to any way you like. That's for shapes. You can put any shapes you like. It's very, very easy, right? So now let's go to smart art. Smart art are basically they basically represent processes, cycles, and hierarchies. Now, how do you insert a smart art? Same way, go to your insert tab. Now, go to smart arts category. Good, this is it. You go to the smart arts. Now, you enter the various 1,000,001 smart arts here. You can see. So it's basically used for cycles and hierarchies. If you want to, let's say you're working on an organization and you want to do an hierarchy chart, you can just click any of this here and just press control to just appear. So this is basically used for presentations. If you want to make it clear, you can put manager here, for example. You can put maybe subordinates here. So basically, it's used for hierarchy. That's the most common use of smart arts. Now, how do you have you ever seen where text will appear around image? Yes, text will actually appear and flow around an image. It's very, very easy to do. Now, first off, let's start with image. You can make the text appear and take the shape of an image, right? Now, first, let's insert an image first. So go to your pictures, when I pictures is loading. Once it's done loading, you do that. Okay, let's say a bird. Okay, let me use bird. Okay, sort. So it has a rectangular shape. This is a rectangular shape, right? Now, you can decide to add text around it, right? So you can see now there are different formats. See, wrap, exactly, this is it. Wrap text. It is in line with the text. You can see that, right? Good. Then you can decide to, these are different formats. So you can decide to write, let me write good. Now, if I tap this, I'll go to my format, like to see the format there. So in line with the text and all of that, you can start to write around it. So that's basically it for this. Now, screenshots are useful for tutorials, right? Now, how do you insert a screenshot? Just like a phone screenshot. You go to insert, you look for screenshots here. Once you look for screenshots, there are various options here. So you can decide to screenshot your window. So if you just tap this, to screenshot this full page and put here. You can see that, right? Good. So you can go back again, go to insert, go to screenshots. You can see there are many windows are open. So you can decide to just tap it, the screenshot there, and voila, it's very, very easy to use. Now, what are some of the professional tips in creating or inserting graphics? No graphics is like the general name for this. Under it, you have image, you have smart arts, you have shapes, and you have screenshots. So in this module, you have learned how to insert images, how to insert shapes, how to insert smart art, how to insert word art, how to insert screenshots and other objects. So I want to give you professional tips. Align graphics consistently, size it very well, maintain balance between text and visuals, avoid overcrowding the document, ensure visual support. These are some of the most useful tips. So I will see you in the next module, which is module 6. Thank you.